Hello friends, मैं लखनऊ मीना असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर इंग्लिश फ्रॉम गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज चमेला झालावाड़। आपका हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल में हार्दिक अभिनंदन है। आज पढ़ेंगे अपन जॉन गैल्सवर्दी का दी सिल्वर बॉक्स, एक प्ले। ठीक है, देखिए जॉन गैल्सवर्दी जिसका जन्म 14 अगस्त 1867 को हुआ था और इसकी मृत्यु हुई 31 जनवरी 1937 को। वाज एन इंग्लिश novelist and playwright. Notable works include the Forest Saga and its sequels, a modern comedy, and End of the Chapter. He won the Nobel Prize in Literature in 1932. ठीक है, मतलब ये एक प्ले राइट था और नॉवलिस्ट था। इसकी प्रमुख वर्क है दी फॉरेस्ट सागा, मॉडर्न कॉमेडी, एंड ऑफ द चैप्टर, और इसे नोबेल प्राइज मिला था 1938 में। ठीक है, और देखिए नेक्स्ट इसका चार्ट देख लीजिए, मतलब कब जन्म हुआ, कब मृत्यु हुई, कौन कब नोबेल पुरस्कार मिला, कौन सी नाविकता थी, क्या व्यवसाय था। ठीक है, देखिए इनका जन्म 14 अगस्त 1867 में किंगस्टन अपॉन थेम्स सर्वे में हुआ था, इंग्लैंड में। ठीक है, मृत्यु हुई इनकी 31 जनवरी 1933 हेम्पस्टेड, लंदन, इंग्लैंड में। ठीक है, इनका ऑक्यूपेशन था राइटर, ये लेखक थे। सिटीजन थी ब्रिटिश। नोबेल अवार्ड, इनका अवार्ड है नोबेल प्राइज इन लिटरेचर 1932 में। ठीक है, ये तो मतलब इनका चार्ट में अच्छी तरह समझ में आ जाएगा आपके। Galsworthy was born at what is now known as Galsworthy House, then called Parkhurst, on Kingston Hill in Surrey, England. The son of John and Blank Valley Galsworthy. His family was prosperous and well established with a large property in Kingston upon Thames that is now the site of 3 schools: Marymount International School, Rugby Preparatory School, and Holy Cross Preparatory School. ठीक है, he attended Harrow and New College, Oxford. He took a second in law at Oxford in 1889. Then trained as a barrister and was called to the bar in 1890. However, he was not keen to begin practicing law and instead travelled abroad to look after the family shipping business. ठीक है, during the travels he met Joseph Conrad, then the first mate of a sailing ship moored in the harbour of Adelaide, Australia, and the two future novelists became close friends. In 1895, Galsworthy began an affair with Ada Nemesis Pearson Cooper, the wife of his cousin Major Arthur Galsworthy. After her divorce 10 years later, they were married on 23rd September 1905 and stayed together until his death in 1933. ठीक है, जीवन परिचय। अब ये तो हो गया इनका जीवन परिचय। अब देखिए इनका जो आपके सिलेबस में जो सिल्वर बॉक्स प्ले है, दी सिल्वर बॉक्स, तो उसके बारे में जान लीजिए थोड़ा सा, फिर इसकी समरी मतलब थोड़ा सा सारांश देख लीजिए। देखिए दी सिल्वर बॉक्स इज ए 3-act comedy, the first play by the English writer John Galsworthy. It was originally produced in London in 1906 and attracted much attention. In New York, it was first seen in 1907. मतलब दी सिल्वर बॉक्स इज ए 3-act comedy, the first play by the English writer John Galsworthy. It was originally produced in London in 1906 and attracted much attention. In New York, it was first seen in 1907. ठीक है, In the play, the disappearance of a security box, the silver box, leads to comparison of the behavior of the son of a prosperous politician with that of an unemployed man and the exposure of attitudes of different social classes. ठीक है, देखिए Goldsworthy said that his aim was to create such an illusion of actual life passing on the stage as to compel the spectator to pass through an experience of his own, to think and talk and move with the people he sees, thinking and talking and moving in front of him. The Salon was first produced on 25th September 1906 at the Royal Court Theatre in London. The play was among several new plays at this theatre from 1904 to 1907, directed by J.E. Bedrene and Harley Grenville Barker, by notable dramatists including George Bernard Shaw. Although the Silver Box did not draw large audience, it was much discussed. ठीक है, it was first seen in New York in 18 March 1907 at the Empire Theatre. It was produced by Charles Bowman and featured Bruce McRae as Jones and Ethel Barrymore as Mrs. Jones. Critics praised Ethel Barrymore's performance, but audience preferred to see her in more glamorous parts. There were only 20 performances. देखिए प्रिंसिपल मेंबर्स ऑफ द ओरिजिनल कास्ट ऑन 20 सितंबर 1906 एट द रॉयल कोर्ट थिएटर. इसमें पहला जॉन वार्थविक MP है, जेम्स हियरन, मिसेज वार्थविक है, फ्रांसिस आइवोर, जैक वार्थविक है, A.E. मैथ्यूज, मिसेज जॉन्स है, आयरनी रूक, जॉन्स है, नॉर्मन मैककिनेल, एंड अननोन लेडी है, सिडनी फेयर ब्रोदर. ठीक है, अब देखिए मतलब इस नाटक में 3 एक्ट है, जिनमें से फर्स्ट एक्ट का फर्स्ट सीन देखिए. दी 3 scenes of the first act take place in the London dining room of John Warthwick, a Liberal member of Parliament. ठीक है, जॉन जैक वार्थविक, son of the family, comes home at night drunk, carrying a lady's reticle. John's, whose wife is the chairwoman for the Warthwicks, has helped him to unlock the door and is given a drink by Jack. The first scene में हो रहा है, फिर देखिए. Jack falls asleep on the sofa. Jones takes a purse that has fallen from the reticle, a silver box, a cigarette box and लिपची. ठीक है, फर्स्ट सीन में तो ये होता है. अब देखिए फर्स्ट एक्ट का सेकंड सीन. द नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग जैक इज स्टिल ऑन द सोफा while Mrs. Jones is cleaning the room. She talks to Wheeler, the housemaid, and to Marlowe, the butler, about her husband. He is out of work and is violent. When he is drunk, Marlowe notices that the cigarette box is missing. ठीक है, ये तो हो गया सेकंड सीन. अब देखिए फर्स्ट एक्ट का थर्ड सीन. देखिए जॉन वार्थविक एंड हिज वाइफ हैविंग ब्रेकफास्ट टॉक आउट पॉलिटिक्स. शी इज अलार्म्ड ऑन रीडिंग इन द न्यूज़पेपर दैट ए लेबर कैंडिडेट हैज won a by election, but he said that all parties should be represented. ठीक है, अब देखिए नेक्स्ट. एन अननोन लेडी कॉल्स. शी इज द यंग लेडी whom Jack met last evening. She is anxious to have her purse back to pay the rent. Jack finds that there is no purse in the reticle and denies having it. Warthy reluctantly gives the lady some money and talks severely to Jack after she लिप्ज। अब देखिए आगे। मार्लोन found Parthiv that the cigarette box is missing. There is a suspicion that Mrs. Jones stole it. Parthiv interviews Mrs. Jones and learns of her troubled domestic situation. She knows nothing about the missing cigarette box. अब देखिए सेकंड एक्ट का फर्स्ट सीन देखिए। इन दी जॉन्स लॉजिंग, Jones complains to his wife that he is badly treated. When he tries to find work, she says that they have to pay the rent today. When the landlady comes for the rent, Jones unexpectedly throws his wife a sovereign to pay it. Mr. Jones is appalled to find he has a purse and the missing cigarette box. ठीक है। Jones says, I am no thief, I am no worse, and bought that young Varthak. He brought home that purse I picked up, a lady's purse. Head of her in row kept saying, Scored, well I scored, I am off, and did you think anything I will happen to him? ठीक है। अब देखिए नेक्स्ट। So a detective enters and finds the cigarette box he is looking for. He assumes Mrs. Jones stole it and arrests him. Jones saying he took the box himself, attacks no, and policeman comes in to overpower Jones. ठीक है। अब देखिए सेकंड एक्ट का सेकंड सीन। In the Varthvik's dining room that evening, Mr. and Mrs. Varthvik and Jax are having dessert. Snow comes in. His report that Jones said he took the box when he was let in by a drunken Jack, and that Jones had the purse caused dismay and embarrassment. Snow says Jones should be prosecuted. Varthvik says as he looks gloomily at Jack. ठीक है। अब देखिए नेक्स्ट। दिस prosecution goes very much against the grain with me. I have great sympathy with the poor. In my position, I am bound to recognize the distress there is amongst them. Roper Varthvik's lawyer wants to know how to present the case in the police court. Mrs. Varthvik believes that Jack's involvement is an invention of Jones. Jack is unwilling to appear in court. Varthvik is anxious that the details should not get into the papers. अब देखिए एक्ट 3। In the police court, Mrs. Jones says she was shocked that her husband had the box. Jones says he helped young Mr. Varthvik to unlock the door, and the judge said to him, "You look like one of these are socialists. Take whatever you like." Jones says he took the box out of spite. Jack questioned why Roper says he does not remember Jones letting him in. ठीक है। अब देखिए नेक्स्ट। Varthvik does not press charges and Mrs. Jones is discharged. Jones, who has pleaded guilty to stealing the box and assaulting the police, is told that being drunk is no excuse and is given 1 month in prison. As he leaves, he shouts repeatedly at Jack, who took the purse while drunk but has not gone into trouble with law. ठीक है। अब आप इसे लर्न करना है।